Hello and welcome to Uncle George Barbecue. Today I have a new grill. So I went to Walmart. I was checking the grill section and I found these. It was like 90 bucks. And I haven't got a new grill in a while, so I said, you know what, let me give this a try. It's a small charcoal grill. I don't cook for too many often during the week. So I wanted to use something that fun to use and I can use it during the week for quick meals. So here it is, the 24-inch charcoal expert grill. Okay, so here is 372 square inches, 20 burgers, 10 chicken breasts, 25 hot dogs, blah blah blah, steak, sausages. So here it is. Okay, it has vents. This is to ventilate give oxygen to the charcoal. Thermometer and another vent there. And here we have the charcoal tray. Now I did a little mod here. I added some wires here so this thing doesn't separate from the tubes on the bottom. Okay, I had something similar to this one. It wasn't the same grill but some different brand, and after like 2-3 cooks, this thing here made like a little bubble, and the charcoal will never stay flat. It will go to the sides, and I didn't like that. So this time I added these wires here, and these are for construction and metal, and hopefully it prevents that from happening. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna season it, and to season it I'm gonna spray the grill. So I'm gonna spray the inside only. I don't need to spray the outside. And the inside we're gonna spray the charcoal tray, the grate, the top of the grill, and the ash catcher on the bottom, the ash tray on the bottom. Another thing is I washed the grates. I know they're cast iron, so it's not recommended to be washed, but they were very dirty from the factory, so I decided to wash them, and I dried them right away, season them right now so they don't rust. Okay, let's start. Oh, another thing that I like, he has a beer bottle opener. Oh, so yeah, that's pretty cool. For 90 bucks, it's not bad. Let's see how long it lasts. If it lasts at least one season, I'm happy. Oh, another thing that I want to mention is why companies do this. The stickers, they're a pain to remove. Sometimes it takes for this. It's cracking. Oh, this one's maybe coming out. I tried removing that one and it was not that easy. So I don't know, they should use magnets instead of stickers. It's easier. It may cost a little more, but companies use magnets. Stop using stickers on grills. Okay, to season the grill, I'm gonna start with the ashtray. We're gonna use canola oil. Okay, then this tray goes in the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna put the grates back, and I'm gonna spray them this side, and then I'm gonna flip them and spray the other side. Okay, we turn the grates around. Okay, so now the grill is ready to do the burn off. Now the burn off is the part that we want to remove all the oils and residue from the factory. So what I gonna do now is light up a fire, throw in there, and then let it run for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes with the charcoal on, and then so that way the oil that we put in, it starts attaching to the surface of the grill, and then I'm gonna do my first cook. Okay, let's get that charcoal running. I added plenty. Okay, I put 1 cube on the bottom, should be enough to let up the charcoal. They recommend to use 2, but I always use 1. Never had a problem. Get a lighter. Okay, now we're gonna let it run and light up. Back, it has been like 10 minutes, and now I'm gonna dump the charcoal. Always double check there is no briquettes inside the starter. Okay. Some briquettes that are not light yet, so let's leave them in the middle like this. Always use gloves just in case. A cool feature that I like about this grill, one of the reasons I got it, is this thing here that you can lower the charcoal or raise the charcoal, and it has this door here, so if you want to add more you can, you want to add a piece of wood you can. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna close this lid here. We're gonna close this lid here. I'm gonna open here a little halfway, then I'm gonna open this one halfway, this one I'm gonna open full, and I believe the other side is already open. Yeah, no, open there. Okay, so I'm gonna let it run for like 20 minutes, and then we're gonna start our first cook. So for the first cook on the Expert Griller, I'm gonna do some chicken quarters. Okay, so we start with spraying it with olive oil. Okay, so for today's cook, I'm gonna use the hot bird from Cosmos, very good chicken. And chicken is very good. Now we're gonna do the same with this one. Put some on this pocket here, under the skin, and then on the top. Okay, I'm gonna let these ones rest here for like 20 minutes until they're. So it has been 30 minutes, and right now you can see there's 525 degrees. Let's check. I split the charcoal in the middle. I'm gonna move the charcoal to one side, and then I'm gonna put the chicken on this side. Here's the chicken. Close the lid. And I'm back. Took a little bit longer than 20 minutes. Had to attend one of my kids. Let's see how we're doing. I want to speed up a little bit. This cooks. Lower the charcoal.